Imagine this. You're over 60, you've worked hard your whole life, and flying is not about showing off anymore. It's about peace, freedom, confidence, and knowing the airplane is truly on your side. Today we're talking about the top 6 private planes for pilots over 60 in the US. Not fantasy jets, not Instagram airplanes, but real machines that respect your age, your experience, your finances, and your nerves. Some of these planes are slow, some are luxurious, some are surprisingly capable, but all of them make flying calmer, safer, and more enjoyable. And along the way, I want you to tell me, which direction should aviation for older pilots really go? Let's dive in. 6th place, Piper Cherokee Archer. This is the comfortable armchair of aviation. The Piper Cherokee series is low, stable, predictable, and wonderfully honest in the air. Older pilots love it for one reason. It doesn't fight you. The airplane tracks straight, handles bumps kindly, and gives you a feeling of slow, steady control that becomes more valuable with time. Entry is easier than in many high-wing aircraft. You step in, not climb up. The cabin isn't huge, but it feels grounded and calm, and the view is excellent for pattern and training environments. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, parts are still available, and insurance companies love these airplanes. It may not be flashy, but for many senior pilots, confidence and comfort matter far more than speed. And that's exactly what the Cherokee delivers. Dependable, forgiving flying that still feels like real aviation, not a compromise. 5th place, Cessna 182 Skylane. Now we step into something a little more capable. The Skylane is for the older pilot who still wants power, payload, and the ability to go places. But without stepping into complexity, that becomes stressful with age. The 182 is like the bigger, stronger, calmer older brother of the Skyhawk. It climbs hard, carries real loads, and feels solid and stable in the air. That extra weight smooths turbulence, and the high wing gives great visibility and a sense of security. Yes, it burns more fuel than a 172, and maintenance isn't cheap, but what you get in return is confidence in almost any environment. Mountains, rough strips, cross-country travel, family on board, wet, or just you and your golf bag. For pilots over 60 who still like adventure but want something deeply trustworthy, the Skylane hits a sweet spot of capability and reassurance. 4th place, Piper Malibu PA-46 family. For some pilots over 60, flying is not weekend fun. It's serious traveling, business flying, and crossing real distances with real comfort. That's where the Malibu and its PA-46 family come in. Pressurization, real speed, wet, long-range endurance, luxurious cabins. This is aviation aligned with lifestyle comfort, not adrenaline. The Malibu gives older pilots something few GA aircraft can: reduced fatigue. You're not fighting turbulence at low altitudes. You're up high, above weather, smoother and quieter. You sit in a true travel cockpit, not a trainer. But let's be honest, this level of capability also demands discipline, training, and budget. Insurance is stricter. Maintenance must be taken seriously. This is not a casual airplane, but for older pilots who came from business aviation, who still travel with purpose, and who want airline-like comfort on their own schedule, the Malibu remains one of the most satisfying experiences you can have with a private pilot certificate. 3rd place, Beechcraft Bonanza G36. The legend. Loved, respected, debated endlessly. The Bonanza is not just fast, it's stable, beautifully engineered, and feels grown up in a way few single-engine aircraft do. For pilots over 60, the Bonanza delivers something rare: dignity in speed. It's powerful, but smooth. Capable, but graceful. The cabin is wider and more comfortable than many expect, the visibility is excellent, and the aircraft feels rock solid in cruise. It's a traveling machine that doesn't beat you up mentally or physically. The downside? Cost. Maintenance is real money. Ownership requires commitment, but many older pilots say the Bonanza gives them the feeling of being truly connected to aviation history, while flying something that still feels modern, safe, and incredibly capable. It's luxury with purpose. Performance with stability. An airplane for the pilot who still wants to feel proud every time they walk up to the ramp. 2nd place, Tecnam P2006T P2010. If you're over 60, and you want something modern, comfortable, efficient. But without jumping into high-stress, high-cost luxury aviation, Tecnom deserves serious attention. These aircraft were designed with the idea that flying should stay practical, economical, and surprisingly comfortable, even as aviation costs keep rising. The P2T is one of the lightest, most fuel-efficient twins in the world. Two small Rotax engines mean quieter flights, smoother handling, and dramatically lower fuel burn compared to classic American twins. And yet, you get the psychological comfort of two engines, redundancy, better climb confidence in case of engine failure, and a very stable, reassuring ride. It doesn't feel like a heavy, demanding twin. It feels like a friendly, modern traveling machine that respects your nerves and your wallet. Meanwhile, the P210 brings another philosophy: refined, elegant simplicity in a modern four-seat single. Composite construction, clean aerodynamics, advanced avionics, and a cabin that genuinely feels European comfortable, not just functional. Entry and seating are easier, visibility is excellent, and the airplane handles with a smooth, predictable feel that older pilots truly appreciate. It's efficient, logical, and thoughtful, built for pilots who want to fly often, travel comfortably, and avoid stress. Maintenance is generally simpler than older legacy aircraft, and operational costs remain friendly for regular flying. And here's the great discussion point. Do older pilots prefer tradition, or do they appreciate what modern European engineering brings? Are Tecnom aircraft the future practical airplanes for senior pilots in America, or will classic Cessna and Piper always dominate emotionally? Let's talk about it in the comments, because this is where opinions really start to divide. First place, Cessna 172 Skyhawk. Was there ever any doubt? The Skyhawk remains the gold standard for pilots over 60, not because it's glamorous, but because it's kind. Everything about it is forgiving. Entry is easy, seating is comfortable enough for long flights, visibility is unbeatable, and control feel is predictable and gentle. Insurance loves it, instructors love it, mechanics know it inside and out, and your nervous system loves it too, because nothing about the 172 feels rushed or demanding. Sure, it's not the fastest airplane. It won't impress anyone at the country club, but for thousands of older pilots, that's not the point anymore. The Skyhawk delivers consistency, stability, safety history, and a flying experience that feels peaceful rather than exhausting. So here's the big question for you. If you're over 60 or planning for that stage, what matters most now? Comfort, simplicity, speed, prestige, or the quiet satisfaction of an airplane that just takes care of you? Tell me in the comments, which one of these would you choose? And do you think aviation is doing enough to support older pilots, or is it quietly pushing them out? Let's talk about it.